Investing for beginners, where to start? Welcome to Mindset Money, the channel that helps you build the right mindset to achieve financial freedom and live the life of your dreams. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of investing and explore the basics of how you can start building wealth. Although investing is a crucial strategy for increasing wealth, it can also be challenging and daunting. This video seeks to explain the fundamentals of investing to novices and offer some advice on how to get started. Not only the wealthy or those with a lot of extra cash should invest. Anybody can invest, and there is never a bad time to get started. You can increase your wealth, safeguard your financial future, and meet your long-term financial objectives by investing. It's a smart approach to generate passive income and make your money work for you. Understand the different types of investments. Before you start investing, you need to understand the different types of investments available. The most common types of investments include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, real estate, and alternative investments such as commodities, cryptocurrency, and precious metals. Each investment type has its unique characteristics and risks, and it's important to do your research and determine which type of investment is right for you. For instance, stocks offer high returns but come with high risks, while bonds offer lower returns but are less risky. Mutual funds and ETFs are ideal for beginner investors because they offer diversification and professional management. Determine your investment goals. Your investment goals should guide you in deciding which investments are best for you. Some common investment goals include saving for retirement, buying a home, paying for education, or building wealth over the long term. Your investment goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. For instance, if your goal is to save for retirement, you should determine the amount you need to save, the timeline, and the investment strategy that will help you achieve your goal. Start with a small investment. Investing doesn't require a lot of money up front. You can start with a small investment and gradually build up over time. Many investment platforms offer fractional shares, which means you can invest in a portion of a share of stock or ETF. This makes investing more accessible to beginner investors who may not have a lot of money to spare. Starting small also helps you learn about the investment process and the risks involved. As you gain more knowledge and confidence, you can increase your investment amount and diversify your portfolio. Choose an investment platform. There are many different investment platforms available, and each has its pros and cons. Some popular investment platforms include Robinhood, Vanguard, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and E-Trade. When choosing an investment platform, you should consider factors such as fees, minimum investment amount, investment options, customer support, and user experience. Some platforms offer commission-free trading, while others charge fees for every transaction. It's important to choose a platform that fits your investment goals and preferences. For instance, if you prefer a hands-off approach to investing, you may opt for a robo-advisor platform that uses algorithms to manage your investments. If you want more control over your investments, you may opt for a self-directed platform that allows you to choose your own investments. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is the key to a successful investment portfolio. Diversification means investing in a variety of different types of investments and industries to spread out your risk. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. A diversified portfolio helps reduce the impact of market fluctuations and ensures that you have a mix of low-risk and high-risk investments. For instance, you can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, and real estate to achieve a well-diversified portfolio. In conclusion, investing for beginners can be intimidating, but with the right knowledge and tools, you can start building wealth over the long term. Remember to do your research, determine your investment goals, start small, choose the right investment platform, and diversify your portfolio. Thanks for watching this video on investing for beginners and where to start. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Mindset Money videos.